In this video, we are going to look to divide in a given ratio. If you're revising, pause the video, have a go at 1 to 3. So we're going to divide our share, and is the key word here in number 1, £180 in the ratio 3 to 2. 3 to 2 means there are actually 5 parts in total in that ratio. And when you're sharing in a given ratio, it's important to know the total number of parts. Once you know that there are a total number of parts, in this case 5, you can divide the 180, the total amount, by 5 to tell you how much one part would be worth. In this case, we're going to get 5 goes into 18 3 times with 3 left over, so 36. So 36 pounds is 1 part. Now, we want to share it in the ratio 3 to 2. So on the right hand side, we need to have 2 36s. So double 36 to get 72. And on the left hand side, we need 3 36s, which is 90, 108. If I've done that correctly in my head, these two numbers should add up to 180, which they do. But show your method, show you how actually you get those. That's good practice. Remember, these could be non-calculator questions, so you might have to do things like that. Question 2. A concert is attended by children, adults, and over 65s in the ratio 3 to 8 to 1. We are asked what fraction of the concert was attended by children. Now, we're not sharing in a given ratio necessarily here, but we need to know how many parts are in this ratio, like the last question. So there are 3 children for every 8 adults for every 1 over 65, which means there are 12 parts to that ratio. And children form 3 of those parts, so they are 3 out of 12 parts. So what fraction of the concert was attended by children? 3/12, or simplified, a quarter. Part B. If 4,200 attended the concert in total, how many adults were there? Well, adults represents 8 parts of the ratio. That's 8 parts out of the 12 in total that we said there were. 8/12, if we divide 8 and 12 by 4, we would get 2 and 3. So 2/3 of the people who go to the concert are adults, 8/12. So we'd need to find 2/3 of 4,200 to answer that. Okay, so we need to find out 1/3. We need to divide 4,200, divide that by 3. And that gives you 1 left over. And that gives you 400. So 1/3 is 1,400. Now adults is 2/3, so that would be 2,800. That's how many adults there were. Question 3. John finds X pounds and shares it with Ben in the ratio 5 to 2. If John gets 12 pounds more than Ben, how much money did John find? Well, the ratio is 5 to 2, right? Now there's 7 parts in the ratio, so the 7 parts make up the X pounds, but actually getting 7 parts is no good here because we don't know the total amount. If you know the total amount, you want the total number of parts. But if you're not given the total amount, it's not useful to get the total number of parts. So what are we given? It's not the total amount. John gets 12 pounds more than Ben, so John's getting the difference in the 2 ratios. And the difference in the 2 ratios is 3. John gets 3 parts more than Ben. he gets 12 pounds more than Ben. So 12 pounds is 3 parts. It's always useful to work out one part because you can go anywhere with that. If 3 parts is 12 pounds, 1 part is going to be 3 times less, so that would be 4 pounds. Now, how much money did John find? You could go back through the 2 and the 5, but actually now it's useful to know how many parts there are in the ratio. There are 7 parts in the ratio, and if each part is 4 pounds, and there are 7 parts, the total amount would be 7 fours, 28 pounds. You could also figure out, just because this is a harder question, does that actually fit the mould? If 1 part is 4 pounds, 5 parts would be, 1 part is 4 pounds, 5 parts would be 20. And Ben gets 2 parts, 2 fours is 8. Is the difference in those two 12? Yes, it is. Do they add a 28? Yes. Always think about ways you can check your work.